$392, back to another video. Today, y'all see the title thumbnail, I've been working in the uniform, but just finished the Cat Delete 392. He about to do a little flyby, but we're installing the, right there as you can see, the front splitter, or the front grill. I'm gonna show y'all. And in 2 weeks, but what is we working on today? We got the mini bikes out. Tires are good on that one. I'm still trying to figure out a tire issue for this one. I don't know. The Civic, we are still worrying about the fuel pump right now. Just gotta let it cure. It ran, everything's good on, just letting it cure. But this one should be good. And then we got something else coming right now to work on. So what should we work on today, you know? So right there is cracked, and that's the truth why I've been rocking the bra, as many people say. No overstretch, but it's dummy loud, stupid loud. Y'all see him, he going crazy. But yeah, this is the SRT one, as you can see. So on the bottom one, this is the Daytona one. This is the one that comes on the Daytonas. So you can see I got the badge right here. It's gonna be tricky to get that off, but up here is an SRT one. I had to change this out because I got the snorkels and the lights and all that. But basically, they don't match, but I couldn't find OEM one. If I did, they were like 200 bucks. I was like, nah, let me get SRT. This is Icon Motorsports lower grille, SRT 15 and 19. So I guess just adding SRT components to it. But this is the reason why I've been rocking the bra. So let me get a little. But yeah, that's the reason why I was rocking the bra. Because one day I was washing my car and I was like, what the fuck? And that little piece is like a little piece right there. And I don't know if I hit something or what, but I was like, you know, it was time anyway. I was going to change it regardless, so it just made me buy a new one. But we get underneath here. You know how they take the bumper off? All you have to do is there's 4 7mm screws here, 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 and here. You take that off, and then underneath there's 4 screws underneath, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it should pop right out. And then I'm gonna have to take this off, Daytona badge, and go from there. But other than that, it should be easy. You just need a 7mm wrench underneath. Take it off, pop it off, and then I'll show y'all. So y'all see tuned. So leaving where I started off, or left off, basically got to take off my bumper to get to that that little thing, the little to add the new SRT grill. So I had to take the bumper off. It shouldn't be that bad. I'm gonna get to it, grab the tools, and y'all stay tuned. So I got a screwdriver. I took all those out on the top. I'm just doing a reverse order from a lot of people. And then there's gonna be a bolt right here, 10 mil. Take this off. And there's gonna be one over there on that side. Take it off, be careful you don't lose it. They're pretty easy to come off too. And then once I get done, I'm gonna take this off and then show y'all. So what I did was I took my liner all the way off. I took all the clips out. And there's gonna be a bolt right here on the back side and then one up here. It's a bitch to get to. You're gonna have to use a socket. Use a 10 mil. I go in there with my hand and I just take it off one by one. It's really easy. You just gotta know what you're doing. Don't take off everything you don't have to. I was gonna take off this fender, but put this back. I was gonna take this fender off, so just put everything back. Should be good. Now I'm gonna do the other side. Got both of those bolts off. I'm gonna go from there. I had to take off the bumper just to add this. Crazy. So literally I had to take that off, the whole bumper for that, and then the grill. I mean, everything works fine. Little 2-hour job, easy work. So I almost forgot to close out the video, but put everything back. Make sure you unclip these little markers on the side. So you know how I had the 2 bolts right here, one here, one here. I didn't put the one there. I just tightened that one down really good, the one that goes in here, and I put one there. It actually made my fitment a little bit better. So you can see the lines tuck more. This had a bigger gap, so I just pushed that in and it put one bolt there and one bolt there. And that was pretty much it. Easy install, very easy. Appreciate y'all watching, subscribing, commenting. And we out.
Hey, yeah. I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be. But deep down I think about you all